Hello, my name is Ho Chun-Ki, the Housing Minister of Syria. Today, I'm going to propose a sustainable housing plan for Syria. You may ask, why we should provide a sustainable housing plan for Syria? Is it very serious? The housing problem is very serious in Syria? Well, the answer is yes. Currently, there are 1/3 of the population, that is 5.5 million people, who are in need of a shelter. 2 million people and 2 million people among the 5.5 million people are in desperate housing need. It has some historical reasons. First, Syria is known to have affordable housing because the population is poor and they could not afford a house. Second, our plans have been carried out very slowly, and housing plans are often subject to delays. This has caused a high housing shortage in Syria. Currently, a lot of people in Syria chose to live in either informal housing units or refugee camps, which has a very poor living condition, as shown on the screen. And our plan is to provide quick, safe, and accommodative housing to 50% of the Syrian people in need. It's our QSA 50 housing plan. In the duration of 6 years, which is 2024 to 2030. The housing plan will fulfill the SDG target 11.1 that by 2030 will ensure adequate, safe, and affordable housing to half of the Syrian people in need. We want to do two things. First, build cheap houses. As people in Syria cannot afford expensive houses, we want to build them cheap and provide them for free, so that they can have basic shelter and have basic access to necessities such as electricity and water. We want to benefit 2.5 million people in the course of 6 years and spend $8.75 million. And the calculation is shown on the screen. Second, as we couldn't build infinite number of houses, we want to provide subsidies to those who have a house but couldn't have access to basic needs such as electricity or water, or maybe their house is slightly damaged, so they can use the subsidy to fix their house or to provide them with electricity or water. And it will benefit 2 million people and spend $320 million in total. And the whole plan will spend $1.2 billion in total, and for every year it will spend $200 million per annum. 73% will be used for building new houses and 30% will be used for subsidy. And this is the end. Thank you.